We look at celebrities like they're better than us, and that's why they, quote, deserve the success. That's why they're celebrities. But what if the difference had nothing to do with worth? What if they were no more deserving than you and me? What if there was just one difference? In spite of fear, they went for it. They went big. They were way too much. Their friends and family said they would never attain their dreams. They told them to settle or lower their standards, or else they would never, ever make it. What if we all came from the same pile of adversity, difficult childhoods, abuse, trauma, and major challenges? If we all have it rough, then why do some people wildly succeed anyway? Here's the difference. The people that make it said, screw it, and they went for it anyway. They did not allow their past circumstances to hold them back. What's standing in between your dream life and your current reality is your willingness to fit in, to look like everyone else, and to not rock the boat. Everyone that has made it, whether a cinema, book cover, TV show, or made millions, or billions of dollars, rocked a boat. They pissed off their families, their friends, their followers, their communities. They didn't conform to other people's opinions of them. The difference between celebrities and everybody else is their ability to step into the light and shine, regardless of the approval or perceptions others may have of them. They're in relentless pursuit to be the biggest, brightest versions of themselves. And when you're bright, people look at you and they criticize you. But you don't need to stay broken in mediocrity or in poverty to justify to others around you that you're worthy of their attention and praise. Risk being too much. Risk pissing some people off. Risk being seen. After all, what did you go through all that crazy adversity for in your past, if not to excel anyway and to show the world what you're made of? Don't dim your shine because someone else turned off their inner light. Shine bright and blind them with your light to remind them what they left behind. Your past does not define you. Who you are right now in this moment defines you. This is your chance to choose. Right now, choose light, choose bright.